Hello friends, welcome to Power BI World. In this video we will see how to add columns, how to remove columns and how to reorder columns in Power BI Desktop. So let's get started. So our major focus in this video would be how to delete a column, how to reorder the columns into Power BI. Okay. So let's go to the Power BI Desktop and see how we can do it. Okay, so we are into Power Query Editor in Power BI Desktop. So I will be using the same table that I have used in my previous video to show you how to work with dates into Power BI. If you have not watched that video, the link is provided in the description, and also you can see that I button and you can go and watch that video of working with dates into Power BI. Okay, so let's see how we can add a column, how we can reorder the column, and how we can delete or remove the column from Power BI Desktop. A very simple procedure to do it. So the very first thing is, if you see, we have a table which says dates. Okay, and this column is basically, you find it's an order structured or it is unordered, so that depends on the way you look at your data. I want to reorder this column. So what I want is, first I want date or day of the month, then I want month name, and then I want the year's name. So this is what I want to reorder my column. So to do so, it's a very simple procedure. What you have to do is just click on the column that you want to reorder and just drag it to the left or right hand side that you want. So as I said, I want the day first, so I got the day, that is the first, second, that is basically a day. Then I want the month name, so what I have to do is just click on that column and drag that column onto the left hand side, so that becomes my month name. And then I have the year. Okay, similarly, if I want the day name to be on the extreme left hand side before the day, I can do that as well. So what I will have to do is just drag that column and bring that onto the extreme left before the day column. Okay, so this is how you can reorder a column into Power BI. Similarly, if you want to do it for the week of the year, you can do it, you can do that as well. So I want to bring this week of the year before the day column, so I can do that. Just drag that column, select that column and drag it to the left. Okay, wherever you want to drag. So I want to drag it to the left, I dragged it to the left. If you want to drag it to the right hand side, you can do that as well. So this is how my columns are reordered. So reordering of the column is very essential whenever you work with your data. Okay, so this is how you can reorder the column. The next thing what we'll see here is how to remove the columns, or how to delete or remove the columns. So to do so, it's very easy. Select any of the column that you want to remove. So for now, let's say I want to remove a week of the year. So what I have to do is just right click and you see an option which says remove. Okay, so if I click on remove, what will happen is the column will be removed. Okay, and you see that the steps will be applied here. Okay, if I click on this remove column, if you see, if I just cancel this, you will see your column again. So this is the applied step column, wherein you can see whatever step you applied on your query editor, it will get recorded here, and basis this you can just see what all step you have followed. So if you see, we have inserted a day, we have inserted a day name, we have inserted a day of week. So these are the steps that has been applied while working with this particular table. Okay, so let's see removing a column. As I've shown you the example, just right click and you get the other option as well, remove, which will remove this particular column that we have selected. Remove other columns, this will remove all other columns except the column that you have selected. Okay, so example, I have selected week of the year, and if I click on remove other columns, it will remove other column except week of the year, and the step that you applied here will be shown here. So if you see, we have removed other columns, so that step has been applied. If I just click on close and cancel this, all my columns will be visible to me. Okay, the other option that you have is duplicate column, which will duplicate this column, that is week of the year column, to the extreme right, and it will make a duplicate column of that. So let's see how it happens. If I just click on duplicate column, you can see it has created the copy of that column, and it has also created a step named as duplicate column. Okay, so let's close this again, let's cancel this. Okay, and these are the options that you can work with your columns. You can remove duplicate columns. You can also remove errors from the column. So an example, if you have any errors, you can remove it from that column itself. However, this will remove the entire row which contains the error. Again, removing errors, removing duplicates we will be covering in our next video. So till then, you can just work with the columns. You can just keep on reordering your columns. You can delete the columns. So hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.